So if you want to follow the tradition, what tradition you would follow? The
Yeah,
Korean, the
exactly. Which one?
Canadian.
Yeah, Korean, Canadian, African. Hello.
Hello,
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Christian.
Christian.
Yeah.
Just
Nice to
like
meet you.
nice to meet you. Just like the religion, Christian.
Yes.
Oh wow, what amazing your name.
Yeah.
My
Yeah.
my name is Ahmed.
Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to
Nice to
meet you.
meet you. Nice to meet you, Christian.
Yeah. So,
And
where are you from?
I am from Iraq.
Oh, okay. Great.
Yeah.
What city in Iraq?
Um, I live in the capital in Baghdad.
Oh, okay. Oh, excellent.
Yeah. And you?
Yeah, well, a bit of a long story, but I'm originally from Canada,
Okay.
but I moved a few years ago before the pandemic. I moved to South Korea, worked there
Okay.
for a few years, and I
Yeah.
actually met my wife in Korea. So, so we married there, and then we came here. So her family is living in Mozambique. It's in southern Africa. So we're staying there now for a little bit.
Wow. So many
Yeah,
cultures.
yeah, so many. It's hard to keep track.
Exactly. Yeah. So if you want to follow the tradition, what tradition you would follow? The
Yeah,
Korean, the
exactly. Which one?
Canadian.
Yeah, Korean, Canadian, African.
I'm
Yeah,
pretty
but
sure your
it's
your life is amazing because
yeah,
every day
it's
you learn something new.
that's true. That's true. Yeah, it's yeah. We did a wedding in Korea, and
Yeah.
so we got married in Korea, and
Okay.
then we also did like a traditional. We did a traditional wedding here, which is kind of sort of like dowries. You know what a dowry is, right?
No, actually, I don't know.
Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a dowry is kind of like here. I'll write it in the text here.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah. So dowry
Okay.
is kind of an idea where usually I think in Europe anyway, it was kind of like an idea where a father of a bride, like a
Okay.
wife's father, would
Yeah.
would have enough money so that the new family could have enough money to live, right? But
Okay.
here it's a little bit opposite, where the man who wants to marry the daughter has
Yeah.
to pay some money to the father to do that, and then there's even a negotiation process. You have other people
Ex-
negotiate for you and
exactly.
things
Yeah.
like this, and
Yeah.
then you're married into the family in that way. So we were married before in Korea, but then we got the traditional African style here as well. So it was interesting. So, but I keep saying that if we go to Canada, where I'm from,
Yeah.
to have a third wedding there, no, we're not. It's too much. Yeah, we're not doing
So
three.
you
No.
got like two wedding ceremony?
Yeah, basically.
Wow, lucky you, man.
Yeah, yeah. It
Wow.
was nice. It was nice,
Yeah.
but two is enough.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, this night it's really amazing, and it's really beautiful to live this night because people like would live this night like at least once in their life.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, that's true.
yeah, but you have lived this night twice.
Yeah. Yeah, two wedding days essentially. Yeah. So, and with the same person. So, hey, there you
The
go.
same, yeah, the same person. So, like, how was like the experience, the Korean and the African ceremony?
Yeah, basically. So, like they're very different. Like you're familiar with like a Western style wedding, right? A woman walks down the aisle and exchange
Yeah,
vows, and then people watch, and there's someone there to do it. So that's what the Korean one was like. Very very
the
similar,
Korean.
very easy,
Uh-huh.
very much similar to any other wedding, really. At least in
Yeah.
in Canada and U.S. But in the African style, like I even had to buy my father-in-law like groceries. I had to buy a suit,
Okay.
those kinds of things for him. Kind of like as it's kind of like don't think of it as like I'm buying my wife. It's not like that. It's kind of more like giving tribute. You know how in the old days you give tribute to a king or to a
Exactly.
khan or
Yeah.
something like
Yeah.
that. It's
Just
kind
like
of like that.
the gift, like for the wife. Yeah.
Yeah, sort of. And then at some point I was told to go outside the gate and stay there, and don't come into the gate.
Okay.
So two of my wife's friends, they
Okay.
negotiated for me. It's like, okay, this is how much we can pay. This is how much this is this. And so basically it was like sending ambassadors to the father-in-law, sort of. And
Yeah.
then I was told to come in, and then it was finished. So it was after the negotiations, and even an agreed sum was printed out and stuff like this. So it was so technically I'm still indebted to him, like to pay a certain amount of money and stuff. But it's kind of like once the initial amount is paid, you're
Okay.
married, and it's kind of a done deal, and you're just kind of like expected to pay over time.
So sorry, do you have to to put like a number for the money? Like here
Yeah,
in
sort
Iraq,
of.
we have to put a number. Yeah, we will pay like for example like $10,000.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, $10,000, including like the furniture, the gold, what I would would give to my wife. Is
Mm.
that the same there?
Sort of like that, but you're not necessarily like, I guess traditionally it was a number of cows. Like, so it was like in this culture, like southern, like it's called Shona. That's the culture that my wife is part of. So it was
Yeah.
kind of the idea of like you're buying a certain number of cows. And so
Huh.
so like if this was the old days, I would literally have to get a certain number of cows and give to my father-in-law. But
Yeah.
now it's money, you know. We don't have to. I don't
Eh,
actually have to get cows, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. For example, here, if you if we want like to get married, we
Hmm.
have to what is the word? Negotiate with the father.
Negotiate.
Yeah,
Hmm.
with the father for like we will give her like a certain amount of money,
Hmm.
and it's not necessary to give like the money, but we will like buy like furniture. We will buy gold. We will buy like we will rent a house. Okay,
Okay.
uh, according to this amount of money. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
some people they like they cross this amount of money. Okay,
Yeah.
because they are they can like to pay, and some of
Hmm.
people they pay like less than that amount, but it's okay,
Oh,
it's still okay because like you said, like we are not buying a wife.
yeah.
We like just we give her like a gift because she's they are purchased.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's kind of
Yeah,
like that. Yeah, so
yeah.
I understand that. Yeah, because and the good thing is that you don't have to pay the full amount that's agreed upon necessarily, because
Yeah,
I guess that's kind of a protection against, because imagine if you have to pay back the whole full amount, and then imagine like say I don't know, the amount is $10,000, and
yeah,
then the man pays the $10,000, the full
yeah.
amount.
Okay.
Imagine the father could be like, I will get him killed so I can get more money from another husband. So it's kind of like that. So this is kind of a protection, you know? So yeah, so
Yeah.
that's very smart, actually. Yes,
Oh,
that's
wow,
very smart
wow.
there.
Yeah, so maybe maybe some people they will do that for like they will consider it as a work.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, consider it like work. Yeah, yeah, that's a very good point, actually. Yeah, that's a very good
And
way.